Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wished your productivity tools could be more fun and motivating, today I'm going to show you exactly how to build a gamified Notion template, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up an engaging workspace that turns tasks and goals into a rewarding game, making your daily routines more interesting and helping you stay on track. Let's dive right into it. For this demonstration, we are going to speed up the process using a free pre-made template. These templates are not just going to save us time, they also come polished and professionally designed, which gives your Notion setup an instant upgrade. Think of templates as starter kits. You get all the essentials ready to go, and you can customize them however you like later. Once you're inside Notion, look up towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a little drop-down menu. This is like our settings hub. Click there, and you'll find more options. If you've never explored here before, don't worry. It's easy to navigate, and every tool inside can help you shape your perfect workspace. Select Browse Templates. This is basically opening Notion's catalog of layouts, ideas, and tools that other folks have created and shared. Now, in the search bar, type Gamified. You'll see a selection of templates pop up designed specifically to make your Notion journey feel more like playing a game, with points, badges, progress bars, or habit trackers, depending on what you pick. Take your time here. Scroll around, preview a few options, and see what catches your eye. If you're not sure which to choose, start with one that feels simple. You can always switch or tweak it down the line, so there's no pressure to make a perfect choice right away. Once you've found a template you like, hit Add. This will import the template right into your workspace, and you'll be able to see all its components, tasks, challenges, and reward systems laid out for you. It's almost like moving into a new apartment that's already furnished and decorated. You can live in it as it is, or start rearranging things to better fit your style. At this stage, you'll want to personalize your new gamified template. Add your credentials. That could mean updating user info, inserting your daily tasks, or setting your own goals. This is your chance to make the template truly yours. So take your time, and don't be shy about tweaking labels or categories. If you want to make things more visually appealing, you can further customize creatives, changing icons, colors, or images. Notion gives you a lot of flexibility here, so experiment with what feels motivating. For example, maybe you set up your rewards as cute icons, or build in a progress bar for tracking your reading habit. These small touches can make a huge difference in keeping you inspired each day. And that's really it. You've just built yourself a gamified Notion template that's ready to support your productivity and make it more enjoyable than ever. If some steps felt a bit new, or your screen doesn't look exactly like mine, don't worry. Notion is always updating, and templates can be adjusted. You haven't broken anything, and you can always go back and retry. Thanks so much for following along today. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to share your own gamified templates. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Notion guides and tips. See you in the next video.